Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to hashtag Better Ace. Today we are making dinner. Let's get started. We are going to make some string beans. Let's go. Let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Today we're making string beans and steak. Hello. So let's get your string beans cleaned and strained and in a pot, shall we? Alright, get your string beans in the pot. Now you have the option to use fresh string beans, or you can use the ones in can. Today we're using canned string beans. But if you ask me the option that I prefer you to get your string beans out of the garden. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Now, I want you to get your string beans into that pot. I want you to put 2 cups of water into that pot. 2 cups, maybe 3 cups. It depends on how it fills the pot up. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. Now, I want you to cut some garlic up and get your seasonings in that pot. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Now that we have got those seasonings into the pot, which was salt, pepper, garlic flakes, a little bit of red pepper flakes, and don't forget your divine seasoning. Now, I want you to stir your seasonings up, baby. Stir it up. You got to stir it up. Stir those seasonings, baby. Now, put your lid on and let that cook. We're going to let that cook for maybe about 2 hours or so. Now, let your greens cook. While the greens are cooking, let's get this meat started, baby. Alright, let's get this meat done. Today's choice is top sirloin. I'm tired for real. Lord. Excuse me, pardon me, and God take the... Today's menu choice is steak, baby. We are cooking steak. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. And let's get this steak prepped up. Hello. Alright, I want you to clean and do all that you need to your steak. Let's get this steak cleaned and let's get this steak seasoned. Time to prep the steak. Hello, let's flow and let's grow. See you in a minute. Hello. Be sure to butter your nifty anchor pan. Get you some butter in there, baby. Now, we're going to put more butter in there, but it's always good to butter your surface. Now that the surface is all buttered up, let us get this steak into this pan. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Now I want you to place your seasoned seasoned steak into your pan and get some water into that pan. And we're going to put some onions into this pan as well. Okay, I want you to use some onion and slice it like so. You have this option to put onions or not. It's your option. But I like a lot of onions, so I'm just taking this half an onion that's left from the string beans, and we're going to add this half an onion in there, like so. Like, share, comment, let's flow, and let's grow. Share this out to somebody you know. Welcome to hashtag Better Eats. Hello, I am your host, Chef Divine Wisdom. And today we are cooking string beans and steak, baby. I haven't quite decided yet if I'm going to add something else or not. But at the present moment, I'm doing string beans and baked steak. We have some top Get the sirloin, because that's what we serving. Some sirloin steak, baby. Now, got those onions in the bottom, like so. And when I say I like a lot of onions, I mean I like a lot of onions. What is a good steak without some onion, baby? Now that you got those onions into the pan, I want you to just simply take your divine seasoning and sprinkle the bottom of the pan like so. Now, let's get that steak in there, shall we? I hope your day is full of joy, peace, and blessings. Now, I want you to season your steak like so. I'm using a little bit of garlic pepper and some divine seasoning, some salt, and a little bit of pepper. So, let's go, let's flow. Like, share, and comment. Hello. Now, I want you to get your seasonings on there. Get your little garlic powder going. Ain't nothing like a little bit of garlic powder. You only need a sprinkle, so notice I'm only doing the front side of it. You don't want to put too much garlic powder on there. That will literally mess up your food. Now sprinkle you some pepper on there like so. Gotta get your pepper. Gotta get that pepper. Did you get your pepper? Let's go, let's flow. What we doing? We cooking. Welcome to hashtag Better Eats. I am your chef. Hashtag Divine Wisdom. Now get you some salt on there. Be careful with this salt. This is coarse salt. You only need a sprinkle. You only need a sprinkle. You only need a sprinkle. Just a sprinkle, baby. Just a sprinkle. Because when it's coarse salt like that, you don't need a whole lot of it. Just a sprinkle. Now, get your divine seasoning, baby. I really need to get me a jar to put my seasonings in. Been so busy, I just been using my whole little jar. Alright, now that the steak is seasoned, let's get this seasoned steak into the pan. Alright, let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Hello, this is hashtag Better Eats, and we are cooking steak and string beans, baby. Now, get your steak into the pan. Like so. This is something like a dry rub that's on there when you season it. It ain't nothing but a dry rub, baby. Get those steaks in that pan, baby. And this is when you got to know how to play Tetris, which is one of my favorite games. I'm always down to build with some blocks, baby. Now that we got this seasoned steak into the pan like so, I want you to add you another onion onto this steak and add some water, baby. Also, I want you to add 4 little pieces of butter on top of each steak like so. Actually, let's take that butter, put this butter right here. And let's take a piece of that butter off there. And just spread your butter out like so. Spread your butter out like so, baby, baby. Don't forget the butter. Alright, now I want you to take and slice you an onion on top like so. Notice how I'm slicing this onion. Slice your onion. Feel free to use your cutting board, but I'm kind of good with my knife, so I can just slice it in my hand. But I recommend that you do that on a cutting board. And just slice your onion like so. And there you go. Now, let us get some water into this pan. You did. You see how I'm just opening that onion up like so? I kind of want to get another slice in there. Let's get us another slice on up in there, shall we? Now that we have the onions, get some water into this pan and put this into your oven at 425 degrees, and then I want you to turn it down in an hour or two, 325. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Thanks for choosing #BetterEats with your host, Chef Divine. Hello. Let's get this water in this pan, shall we? Now add a cup of water or 2 cups of water. It depends on your pot that you are putting your food in. So let's see, how many cups will we need here? This is 1 cup. I want you to fill it up right over the meat. So you will only need 1 cup of water. See how it is just on top of the meat, but not covering it too much. It's just right there where your meat has stopped, if you can see it. Let's get you in for a closer view so you understand what I am saying. See how the water is right there at the top. It's not covering the meat. It's right there at the top. Now, let's go, let's flow. And get a cover on this and put this into the oven. Hello. Alright, get you 1 piece of aluminum foil, baby. And cover like so. That's all you need is 1 little piece of aluminum foil. And cover like so. Now that we have that covered, we're going to get this into the oven at 425, and we're going to bake this for 2 hours. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. I'll see you in 2 hours, or when we check to see how the food is doing. Yeah, did. Thanks for choosing. Hashtag Better Ace with your host, Chef Divine Wisdom. Be back in a few. So grab a friend, come on in while we take a break and put this into the oven. You dig? Let's take a look at those string beans. They're coming along nicely. Let them cook. Let them cook. Like, share, and comment. Let's flow and let's grow. This is hashtag Better Ace with your chef, Divine. Hello. See you in a minute when we come back to check on this steak. Here it is. It's time to clean up while your steak and your greens are cooking. See you in the fruit. Grab a friend. Come on in. Peace and blessings and abundance to your family. Like, share, and comment. But most important, I decided to go ahead and make some macaroni and cheese with that steak and green beans. Enjoy the string beans, your macaroni and cheese, and the steak. You better have it. Hashtag Divine Wisdom with your chef. Divine. Bless.